If you're trying to open a MOV file on your Windows PC and it won't play, here's a quick and easy way to fix that. Start with the simplest option. Right-click on your MOV file, choose Open With, and try selecting your default video player, like Media Player. Sometimes Windows can handle MOV files without any extra tools. If the video doesn't open or you get an error message, it usually means your current player doesn't support that format properly. In that case, the best solution is to install a more powerful media player. Open your browser and search for VLC Media Player. It's completely free and known for supporting almost every video format, including MOV. Go to the official website, download the program and run the installer. The installation process is very quick and straightforward. Once it's installed, go back to your MOV file, right-click on it, select Open With, and choose VLC Media Player. Your video should now play smoothly without any issues. And that's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and reliable.